everyone, Zach Pagoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 22-3 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 22-3 work together. In the last video, I read over the 22-3 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 22-3 work together, where we will be preparing a statement of stockholders' equity, balance sheet, and analyzing a balance sheet for a corporation. So the instructions say, use the worksheet and income statement for Webster Corporation from Work Together 22-2. Forms are given in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following example. Number 1. Prepare a statement of stockholders' equity for the current year. As of January 1st, Webster Corporation had issued 9,000 shares of capital stock with a par value of $10 per share. During the fiscal year, the corporation issued 1,000 additional shares of capital stock. Number 2, prepare a balance sheet for the current year. Number 3, calculate Webster Corporation's A, working capital, and B, current ratio. And for number 4, determine if these items are within acceptable levels. The corporation considers working capital in excess of $150,000 and a current ratio between 2.0 to 1 and 3.0 to 1 to be acceptable indications of financial strength. And save your work to complete Work Together 22-4. Alright, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 22-3 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 22-3 work together, in which we will be preparing a statement of stockholders' equity, balance sheet, and analyzing a balance sheet for a corporation. Alright, so that is the end of the 22-3 work together. In the next video, I will be going over the 22-4 text. Okay? Thank you.